how to transfer Ethereum from Binance to Coinbase. So this is going to be pretty easy. First of all, head over to your Coinbase application. So this is that, and we are going to be clicking on receive. So let's just click on receive, and let's just say I want to receive Ethereum. Copy this address, copy it to clipboard, head over to your Binance, and then in Binance what you need to do is you need to click onto your portfolio from the bottom right, click on take out, and then click on withdraw. Once you do that, you can see we have different type of options in here. We are going to be selecting Ethereum. Once we select Ethereum from this list, we are going to be entering in here the address that we just copied. So simply paste in here that and select your network. Once you select your network, that is BNB, not BNB, Ethereum. And then we are going to be simply selecting the amount of Ethereum that we want to share, and finally click on this withdraw option. So that is how you can transfer Ethereum from Binance to Coinbase.